Hi, good morning. Welcome all. This is Jagadish and sharing the market technical view. Nifty Bank Nifty weekly setup. Bulls continue to bleed. Bears to strengthen. Continued it move below 19,500, 19,450 to close below 19,430, which is a caution. Nifty a break below 19,300, 19,280 and sustains below that can head towards 19,000, 18,800, 18,600 zones in coming days. Bank Nifty bleed, mentioning past 3 trading sessions, a clear signs of weakness visible. Bank Nifty closed below 44,300 is alarming. Sustaining below 44,200, Bank Nifty can slide towards 43,000 followed by 42,000. Overall, market's price action remains cautious as bears continue to dominate, tightening their grip. Review in the coming sessions. That's all for now. See you in the next video. Happy investing, safe trading. Take care.